Hello friends, welcome to A.K. Agrawal Aptitude Series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a shortcut for remainder. Here the given problem is if sum of consecutive numbers from 62732 to 62739 are divided by 8, the remainder will be equal to 0, 2, 4 or 6. Means summation of the numbers from 62732 to 62739 are divided by 8, the remainder will be equal to. Friends, there is a shortcut. Just if you see the concept, the sum of n consecutive numbers is divided by n. If n is even, the remainder will be n by 2. If you see here 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39, total 8 consecutive numbers are there. 8 consecutive numbers are divided by 8, so the remainder will be equal to 4, because our concept says when n consecutive number is divided by n, when n is even, the remainder will be n by 2. So here 8 consecutive numbers are divided by 8, the remainder will be 8 by 2, that is 4. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook.